Let's talk about when kids don't know how they impact others and what you can do about it. We live in a world right now where it's okay for you to be on your own, kind of behind a screen, and you're only seeing here, you're not kind of looking around you. We see it all the time, people walking down the street, people actually in some pretty nice places to go, like Disneyland, that are sitting there on their screen. I don't know how that happens, but it does. But it's actually kind of given us a population that doesn't see what they do and how it might impact others. So what can we do with kids? Well, I think we have to make it a little more tangible. Let's do something fun. We call it the ripple effect. We all know what the ripple effect is. But what if you did an activity in your classroom where you took like different size plates or blow up swimming pools, if you will, if you have that much real estate to work with. And the kids go out on a nature walk and they pick up different things that are light, things that are heavy. It could be a stone, or it could be a stick, or it could be, something else. So we're helping them out with that nature walk, but they're going to bring it back in and do an activity to teach how they impact others. So if you do this in a classroom or in a cafeteria or a gym or area that you might have, you kind of toss these things into the pool and you watch the ripples. Right there in front of you, you watch the ripples. And you bring it back to them and say, when you say something, when you post something on social media, when you do something in front of somebody else, that's exactly what's happening. So if you say something big or do something big, it's going to make some bigger ripples, even waves, if you will. And maybe if it's little, it still has an effect. It's little ripples, little waves. So everything you do impacts others. We are connected as humans. We've got to start to teach that and do activities like this so kids can see it. Thanks for watching. Remember to hit like, subscribe, and leave a comment.